Hello flower lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is Madonna. Today I picked a lime green mums to draw or sketch. And I still have some leftovers from the flowers that I received from Valentine's Day, so I decided not to waste it in any way. So please join me in this drawing moment and get your pen, pencil, or whatever available to you there, and let's get started. So these flowers are really lovely, so I'm going to start just first and the bottom of the petals. They're really like candle holders, and I'm just doing some botanical lines here. No need to be realistic, and you can do your own style too if you want to draw with me. And I'm locating the petals and stems here, and this is really great exercise like the hydrangea that we sketched the last time. And stems are really long and almost no leaves. So for my reference, it has 7 flowers, but maybe I'll just draw like 6 flowers in this video. And please be kind to yourself when you are sketching real life objects or subjects, as it takes practice and time sometimes and feel to it. But if you do it a habit and you do it often, it will just come naturally. So I find it drawing the flowers very soothing and relaxing. Do you have any favorite flowers? Please comment down below, so I will know, and I can consider to draw or sketch that or feature that in the next video if you want. So anyway, let's go back now to the flowers. So right now I'm just filling up more stems, and I can tell it's really a challenge to draw straight lines, even though it's not really super straight lines for the stem. This exercise is really great for precision too, because you really get to these little patterns of stems that for me I find it really easier to draw the stems first than just to draw already the flowers. But if, for example, in your case or in your style, you wanted to draw the flowers first, it's up to you. So in this illustration or sketch, the hardest part for me personally is the stem, because there's some overlapping to it. Once you are done with the stems, or you already decided where to put the flowers, it will be easier for you to add the petals. So there you go, I'm done with the stem, and then I'm going to add now the petals of the mums. So this shape are just really short, soft, spiky, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can draw it on your own style, and you don't have to draw it one by one. Give yourself freedom to stylize or design. So as you can see, petals are not really that super complicated. You can make it simple by just making it bloom to the different direction from side to side. If you are using pen, you can be more precise, or ink. You can also use like watercolor if you want. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions or comments, and please subscribe for more live flowers demos. So there you go, we are done with the green mom's drawing.